With a number of cases and deaths accelerating in the US President Donald Trump Thursday focused attention on possible future treatments and cures for the virus, which are, let's face it, months away at best. Masks and ventilators are still in short supply. Trump chose to be positive in the face of the unknown.
We'll be back, and I actually think we'll be back stronger than ever before because we learned a lot during this period of time.
A dose of reality followed, however. The US president hosted a video conference with governors of this nation's embattled states. They called for more federal help, leadership, testing and equipment. The White House says some states must take the priority over others, and it has nothing to do with politics.
Still, over 50% of the cases come from 3 states. This is why we continue to prioritize testing in those states.
Underlying the global nature of this crisis, the US State Department issued a level 4 travel advisory, the highest, essentially telling Americans not to travel and those abroad to come home if they can. And work continues on an unprecedented $1 trillion economic stimulus package. Europe may be the epicenter of this pandemic right now, but fears are the US could be the next center. The White House is insisting that the nation is ready. The rest of the nation isn't so sure. Nathan King, CGTN, at the White House.